Hey friends, if you wish to fix modern setup host high CPU usage or memory usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows Update components. Now it's easy. I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. The link is in the description section of the video. Then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so this will clear the Windows Update cache and then you can restart. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.